Hi. Now we are going to see about a reservation reminder entry. What is reservation reminder entry? So where we can get the details from the front office. I'll show you. So just go with the front office, reservations. So because it's come under reservation only, so you can just go with the reservations operations. From here you can see that a reservation reminder entry. So what is reservation reminder entry? See, for the reservation, for the particular reservations, if you want to give some reminders, I'll tell you that. So before that, if you know the guest name, so based on the search engines, so you can get the details. Suppose if you know the guest name or company name or group name, reservation number, arrival date, departure date. Suppose I know that guest name, so just enter the guest name. So Mohammed. So this is the reservation number. So you can select the reservation number, you can make it a reminders. So from here we have the two fields, what is called a reminder and one is called a cutoff. And what is a reminder? So this is a normal reminder. So if you want to make some reminders like the guest has to confirm the package, they informed us the time of booking, I just call back, will confirm the package, like what we need for that entire stay days. So according to that, just make a reminder, and that reminder is just click on that. Okay, so from here we can enter the date and time. We need to confirm the holiday package. So what all the package include for that booking, so we need to confirm before this date. So according to the data, select this reminder. This is a normal reminder. And one more thing, just click on the search and select. So now you can see cutoff. What is cutoff? So suppose the guest has a 50,000 of package for the reservations, they have paid for 25,000 and remaining we have to get from the guest. So for that, this is very important for the reservation department, so you have to give the cutoff date and cutoff amount. So from here you have to click on this, and you have to click this date. Okay, cutoff date. So before date we have to give some, because this is now current date is 8/4, so we can't enter the date, but the before date we have to enter and put the cutoff amount, so how much we have to collect, then make it save. So like that we have to make an entry, and this is the cutoff date for the reservation reminder entry. So for the reservation entry, so that will be used for the two types. One is for normal reminders and one is for cutoff date. So cutoff date means you have to give some date before reservation, so before check-in, not a reservation, before check-in you have to get some details, some amount from the guest, so that will be used for the cutoff amount. And one more thing, normal reminders, so we need to confirm some other packages or dates or whatever it is, so that will be come under reservation reminders. That's it. Thank you.